Hello students, today we are going to discuss strategies for wildlife conservation. Students, in this lecture we will discuss about which type of strategies we should have used to make wildlife more conserved, or you can say to protect the wildlife. First of all, national park. Second one is wildlife sanctuaries, and third one is biosphere reserve. Means these are the protective areas. Means by providing protected areas, these kind of protected areas, we can conserve wildlife in well manner. So what are national park? National park are the protected area to preserve wildlife. Almost all these are the protected areas to protect the wildlife. So what is the basic difference? We will discuss later. First of all, we should know that what are national park. These are the protected area to preserve wildlife. Example, Jim Corbett National Park. It is in Uttarakhand and established in 1936. There are 104 national park in India. And what are wildlife sanctuaries? Wildlife sanctuaries, it is also reserved area for protection of wildlife. Example, Karakoram wildlife sanctuaries. Clear? Next one is biosphere reserve. Biosphere reserve we will discuss later, but first of all we have to discuss about national park and wildlife sanctuaries. So what should be prohibited in national park, or what is prohibited in national park? No cutting, grazing, cultivation and outside species are allowed in this area. Clear? In this area, no human activities, you can say, allowed. No outside people are allowed in this area. Clear? Means in this area only wildlife is allowed to live here, or you can say here only natural habitat is provided to wildlife without disturbing by human activities. Second one is area, wildlife sanctuaries. In this area hunting is banned. Hunting and poaching is banned. ओनली प्राइवेट ओनरशिप मीन्स जो पर्सन होते हैं ना, जिनको प्राइवेट ओनरशिप होती है, सिर्फ उनको ही राइट है टू कलेक्ट माइनर फॉरेस्ट प्रोडक्ट. एंड वाई दे आर collect these minor forest product? For research purpose and education purpose. And third one is cultivation and harvesting of timber is also allowed without disturbing wildlife. Means here some product cultivation of some product and harvesting is also allowed, but there should be no disturbance in wildlife. Clear? So अब आता है हमारा वाइल्ड लाइफ बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व. एंड अगर हम बात करें तो कितनी वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरीज़ हैं? 544 वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरीज़ इन इंडिया. क्लियर? सो व्हाट इज़ बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व? बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व इज़ अ लार्ज protected area. It is the large protected area set aside for conserving biodiversity. ध्यान से देखिएगा. मीन्स इसके अंदर क्या है? कंजर्व, हम बायोडाइवर्सिटी को भी कंजर्व करते हैं, एज वेल एज द ट्रेडिशनल लाइफस्टाइल ऑफ ट्राइबल लिविंग इन दैट एरिया. मीन्स यहाँ पर जो ट्राइबल पीपल हैं उनकी लाइफस्टाइल को भी प्रोटेक्ट किया गया है, वो भी अलाउड होते हैं इस एरिया में. दिस इज़ द लार्ज एरिया. क्लियर? Here are 3 zones of biosphere reserve. So what are these 3? Core zone, buffer zone and manipulation zone. In this core zone only for wildlife, this zone is wildlife for only, and here no human activities are permitted. And in buffer zone only limited human activities are allowed. For example, research and education purpose, as I told you in wildlife sanctuaries. Manipulation zone, it is the outermost and peripheral area of biosphere reserve. Here several human activities are allowed. For example, settlements means like living of tribal people, cropping, they can produce different crop and harvest them, forestry, etc. Means only the outermost and peripheral area of biosphere reserve is for human activities only, and in buffer zone only limited uh, human activities are allowed, means they can collect different product of forest for research and education purpose only, and here no human activities is allowed. Clear? सो अगर हम बेसिक डिफरेंस की बात करें नेशनल पार्क, वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी और बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व की, तो अगर आप पूछेंगे कि व्हाट इज़ द बेसिक डिफरेंस, सो दिस इज़ द स्मॉलेस्ट एरिया एंड दिस वन इज़ लार्जेस्ट देन नेशनल पार्क. मीन्स वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरीज हैव more two or more national park within it, and biosphere reserve has two and more national park as well as wildlife sanctuary within it. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल अगर हम इंडिया की बात करें तो जो पचमढ़ी बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व है, पचमढ़ी बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व इन मध्य प्रदेश, इट कंटेन वन नेशनल पार्क. अगर हम पचमढ़ी बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व की बात करें तो इट कंटेन्स वन नेशनल पार्क एंड टू वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरीज इन इट. मीन्स बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व हैव national park and wildlife sanctuaries within it, so it is the largest area in three of them. Clear? So this is all about from my side for today. Later we will discuss in next chapter.